Improving stamina involves building cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, and mental toughness. Here are some tips to help you improve your stamina. Start slowly and gradually increase intensity. If you want to build your stamina, start with an exercise routine that is manageable for you and gradually increase the intensity and duration. Incorporate different types of exercise. Incorporate both cardiovascular exercise and strength training to improve overall fitness. Running, swimming, cycling, and brisk walking are great cardiovascular exercises, while weightlifting, resistance training, and bodyweight exercises help build muscular strength. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining stamina during exercise. Be sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after exercise to stay hydrated. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for recovery and building stamina. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body time to recover and recharge. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats can help provide the energy you need to power through your workouts. Stay motivated. Consistency is key when it comes to building stamina. Set achievable goals and track your progress to stay motivated and committed to your fitness routine. Remember, building stamina takes time and effort, so be patient and stay committed to your goals.